issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, East Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 11:45 p.m. At 11:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Log Range Park, or over Westchester, at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Berwyn, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, West Town, Chicago Lawn, Austin, Bridgeport, Chicago, South Lawndale, South Shore, Midway Airport, Burbank, Melrose, Maywood, Brookfield, Hinsdale, Westchester, Love Range, Justice, Summit, and Burr Ridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm